What do you think of the Bissell Spinwave Hard Floor Expert? Do you like it? Does it clean up your messes? It does. Do you recommend it? Do you want to give this video a nice like and thumbs up and subscribe down below?
Hello and welcome, I'm LJ with today's Adventure Stop, and it's one of those unboxing videos that I like to occasionally do to show you a product that I really like or believe in, and occasionally I don't. Anyways, this is an unboxing of the Bissell Spinwave. This is actually my second box because my other one is actually at a different location, but I like it so much that I bought a second one, and for 99 bucks, you really can't go wrong. Let's check this out. So you might be doing the research between the Bissell Spinwave and the Crosswave. Well, through my research, I haven't owned a Crosswave, but through what I've found, the Crosswave really isn't for me. It's a little bit too much work to empty the reservoir, to fill it, to clean the brush head. So for this, I love the Spinwave because these brush heads, they're held on by Velcro, and all you simply do is snap them on using the Velcro, and then peel them right off and throw them in the wash. And what I like to do is, there's actually a reservoir where you can spray the solution. It's like a concentrate that you can buy. What I like to find that works for me best is I use like a window cleaner to lightly mist the surface, or maybe like a multi-surface cleaner like 409 or Fantastic. And I lightly just kind of mist the floor surface, and then I use the brush heads to just kind of go over and keep it clean. And for me, I use it about once every 2 weeks or so, and it keeps the floors nice and clean.
What do you think of the Bissell Spinwave Hard Floor Expert? Do you like it? Does it clean up your messes? It does. Do you recommend it? Do you want to give this video a nice like and thumbs up and subscribe down below?
What's great about the Bissell Spinwave is you can find it at most retail stores such as Target, Walmart. I found this one on Amazon, and it actually comes with 6 of the different brush heads and 3 bottles of the mini solutions. They come in a couple different versions. There's like a pet version. I have an older one which is like greenish in color. This here is the bluish one. I don't really know the difference, but for me it kind of seems like they're all very similar. My older green one is about 5 years old and the motor sounds the same. Actually, this is my second one because my other one is at a different location, and instead of dragging it back and forth, I decided to buy a second one because for 100 bucks, you really can't go wrong.
What do you think? Is the Spinwave any good? It is.
Would you take a look at that? I tend to do this a little bit different. I use actually window cleaner sometimes if I just want to do quick little pick-me-ups, and I spray foam with window cleaner and then lightly run the mop heads over, and it gives a nice clean polish.
Oh, you're spinning like the Spinwave. So that just about wraps up this unboxing of the Bissell Spinwave Hard Floor Expert. If you like this video, give it a nice like and thumbs up. Do me a favor and subscribe down below, because Cricket says so. And we'll see you on the next adventure. Spin, spin. Wanna shake? Shake? You agree? Is it good? You agree? Okay, Cricket agrees. He recommends it. We'll see you on the next adventure. What do you think? Is that any good? Should you buy it? Do you highly recommend it?